Stronger legs start right here. If you're over 60, these 3 simple daily moves can transform your balance, mobility, and confidence. Welcome back, seniors. Today is day 36 of our 60-day leg strength series. If you're new here, start from day 1 and join this amazing senior community. Grab your chair, stand with me, and let's begin today's 3 easy leg exercises. Exercise 1. Sit and stand. 50 repetitions. For this first exercise, we will work on one of the most important movements for seniors: standing up and sitting down with strength and control. Please place your sturdy chair on a flat surface and stand in front of it with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the sides of the chair lightly with both hands to support your balance, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Now slowly push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower yourself toward the chair. Gently touch the seat, then press through your heels to stand tall again. Breathe in as you sit, breathe out as you rise, and keep your movements smooth and steady. Now let us begin our repetition count together. Follow my voice and match my rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your chest up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing absolutely great. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stay steady. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway to 50, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, keep breathing, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, stay with me, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, excellent work, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, almost there, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have just completed 50 full repetitions. How are you feeling right now? Take a moment to notice your legs, your breathing, and your posture. This movement builds leg power, improves balance, and increases confidence in daily activities. I am proud of your effort. Stay committed, stay steady, and let your body grow stronger every single day. Exercise 2, seated marching, 50 repetitions. For our second exercise, we will perform seated marching, which is excellent for improving hip mobility, blood circulation, and leg coordination. Begin by sitting tall on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Place both hands gently on the sides of the chair for support. Make sure your knees are aligned with your hips and engage your core so that your upper body stays steady. Safety is always our first priority, so keep your movements controlled. Raise one leg at a time without leaning backward or gripping the chair too tightly. We will start slowly to warm up the hips, and then we will pick up the pace as your legs become more comfortable with the movement. Lift your right knee up, lower it, then lift your left knee up and lower it. Follow my count at a smooth rhythm. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent work. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep marching with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Feel the energy in your legs. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost to the finish. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, almost to the finish. Wonderful job. You are doing great, and I want to know something from you. From which country are you watching today? Let me know in the comments so our senior community can grow together. Keep marching strong and stay motivated. Your consistency is building a healthier, more active you every single day. Exercise 3. Ankle flex and point, 50 repetitions. For our third exercise, we will focus on ankle flexing and pointing, a simple but powerful movement that improves circulation, strengthens the lower legs, and supports better balance while walking. Sit comfortably on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your hands resting lightly on the sides for support. Extend one leg slightly forward, keeping your knee straight but relaxed. Make sure your toes are pointing upward. This is your starting position. From here, gently pull your toes toward your body to flex the ankle, then slowly push your toes away to point the foot forward. Keep your movements smooth and avoid rushing so every repetition strengthens your ankle safely and effectively. Now follow my count and move with me, flex and point with each number. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing steadily. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stay focused. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, great rhythm, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep moving. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, feel the stretch, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, almost done, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic job completing all 50 repetitions. This small movement makes a big difference for daily walking strength and stability. I am proud of your effort, and I want to encourage you, just like a personal trainer would. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your legs will grow stronger day by day. Before we move on, I would love for you to help another senior today. Please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can also join our daily exercise journey and feel stronger with you.